Hello everyone, welcome to Bird's World. First up, parrot. 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 Next, owl. 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 Pigeon. 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 Peacock. 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 Sparrow. 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 Swan. 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 Crow. 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 Flamingo. 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 Eagle. Eagle. Woodpecker. 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 Kingfisher. 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 Hummingbird. Humming. Hummingbird. Now here is your homework. List out some more birds' names which you can find in your surrounding. Let's test your memory. What is the name of this bird? Woodpecker. Good job. What is the name of this bird? Owl. Very good.